In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame in Figma. If you're new to Figma or just need a refresher, frames are the building blocks of your designs. Think of a frame as your canvas or artboard. It's a container that holds your layers, defines screen boundaries, and makes it easier to organize, align, and export your work. Whether you're designing a mobile screen, a desktop layout, or a component, you'll be using frames all the time. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you can access your files. You can work in the web app or the desktop app. Both behave the same way for what we're doing today. Next, open your file and navigate to the page where you want to create the frame. In Figma, a file can have multiple pages, which helps you keep different explorations or features separate. Make sure you're on the page where you want the frame to live so everything stays organized. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the Frame tool. It's labeled Frame, and once you select it, your cursor changes to indicate you're ready to draw. If you prefer shortcuts, you can tap the F key to activate the Frame tool quickly, but clicking the button works perfectly too. With the Frame tool active, move to your canvas, click, and drag to draw a frame. As you drag, you'll see the width and height update in real time, so you can get close to the size you need. Release your mouse to place the frame. That's the core of it. Click, drag, and you've created a frame. If you want a perfectly square frame, hold the Shift key while dragging. You can also reposition the frame after placing it by switching back to the Move tool and dragging it around the canvas. Once the frame is on the canvas, you'll notice Figma treats it like a container. Any layers you create inside it will stay grouped, making alignment and export straightforward. You'll also see frame properties appear in the right-hand panel where dimensions are shown clearly. This makes it easy to confirm that your frame matches the size you had in mind. And that's it. Open Figma, open your page, click the Frame button, then drag to draw your frame. You've just set up the foundation for your layout. In future designs, you'll find frames useful for organizing screens, systematizing components, and keeping your work tidy from the start. Thanks for watching. And keep practicing. Your workflow will get faster every time you create another frame.